Hi everyone. I would like to read a story to you called The Underpants Zoo. It's kind of a silly one. The story was written and illustrated by Brian Sendelbach. So that means he wrote the story and he drew the pictures. The Underpants Zoo. The Underpants Zoo. There's a new zoo in town, and here's what I've heard. The Underpants Zoo is completely absurd. Come in and find out why there's been such a fuss. It's a zoo where the animals wear underpants just like us. It's a pretty silly zoo. It's important for lions to appear royal and grand. Camel says, mine keep getting filled up with sand. Zebras have stripes, but they like stars best. Leopard prefers spots, as you may have guessed. Leopard's underpants have purple spots. There's the purple paint that's spilled. Hippos have hearts because she's such a romantic. Elephant's size is extra jumbo gigantic. Kangaroos' boxers need plenty of bounce. For the sleepy sloths, it's comfort that counts. Shh, sleeping sloths. If you look very closely at the sloth's underpants, they look really fuzzy and comfy because sloths sleep a lot of the day, like 20 hours a day, so they need really comfy underpants. The snakes are good friends, so they share the same pair. Make fun of crocodiles' style if you dare. Octopus can wear 4 pairs at a time. Dolphins in long johns? It boggles the mind. The penguins chill their underpants in the freezer. The monkeys' wild trunks are always crowd pleasers. It may look as though Anteater is doing some silly dance, but look closely and you'll see his underpants have got ants. Has anyone ever said to you, you've got ants in your pants? That means you can't sit still. The Underpants Zoo, I am sorry to say, is closing its gates for the rest of the day. But we'll visit again. We'll drop by very soon. Next time we'll stay for the whole afternoon. The Underpants Zoo, closed for underpants de-antsing. That means they got to get the ants out. And that is the end of the Underpants Zoo. Now, when I read this story in the classroom, there's an activity that I like to do, and I like to give kids a pair of blank underpants, kind of like these, but with nothing on them. And I like kids to, I have kids draw an animal of their choice wearing the underpants, and then they get to decorate the underpants how they would want that animal to wear them. Just like in the story, the different animals had different kinds of underpants. So if that's something that you want to do, you certainly can, but This is a funny one. It's one of my favorites. I hope you guys liked it. See you later. Miss you.